bonus reading for June the 8th to June the 9th. Earth signs, your cards of the Tower, the Eight of Pentacles, and the Six of Wands. Hindi natin inaasahan or inaakala na meron pang tao magre-resurface after a long while. Parang feeling natin, ay, tapos na ito, hindi ko na to, kumbaga hindi ko na nga naaalala. Pero itong person na ito is hindi pa pala tapos sa atin. Kasi pakiwari ko, parang siya yung magsasabi na, bakit kinalimutan mo ako? Talaga ba? With the Ace of Cups and the Page of Wands, parang nakikita niya yata that you are improving. And I think that this person would love to come back para, kumbaga naiintriga siya sa'yo ngayon. Pero kasi nandito din yung Ace of Cups, na parang nakikita niya ngayon na either you're more attractive or mas maganda ka ngayon sa paningin niya dahil you are parang becoming more independent, no? Parang pumapasok ngayon yung nagugustuhan kanya ngayon sa transformation mo kesa nung dating siguro kala niya wala kang mararating or what have you, no? But this is your bonus reading, Earth signs, for June the 8th to June the 9th.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye.